9 more days. 9 more days. 9, 9. I beg if you don't talk and wear helmet or use sport. But in the purpose of people. 9 more days. Therefore, they talk about and cover your head, dry helmet. If you don't get helmet, find pot. Okay? You don't get helmet, find pot as they talk about because you don't know where stone go from. Land for your head. You know, see Utobo. We say they waste in time. Now, you don't do Supreme Court, go do it. But it happens 2023. Something where they don't talk finish pass. So level we don't pass is now one come draw our clock, go back. Nah lie. 9 more days. Yeah, he will teach them law. He is going there to teach them law. He is going to, and this counterintuitive argument they are making now. He's intimidating the judge. He's asking him under what law? No worry. Then go teach you the law. 9 more days. 9 more days. Then go tell you the law. And some of you people, you are taking that thing as being powerful. You are not even feeling sorry for him, for his stupidity. Kolo the warrior. May you and George come the price go to £1.10. Kagina George no £1.10 now. Tell me the law. Now so no worry, 9 days they go tell you the law. They go teach you the law. After 9 days, when I go hear one say yes, he bring card, then go time, erroneous judgment. Which erroneous judgment? Where? Then go knock you, hang you. Then we go court to talk this one. Please, the federal government, we will not tolerate. You see that these people are not ready to give up hope. So we will not tolerate this noise they want to be making in Abuja after his conviction. Send him to Sokoto or Katsina State. Send him to Katsina prison. Let him go there. Shouldn't they find Buhari head? That day by the hotel I should Buhari. Let him go there and bring Buhari for us. We will not tolerate this nonsense in this Abuja. Take him to Sokoto, Zamfara, they Medugri too. So anybody that wants to protest should be protesting, okay? I don't want to hear this nonsense again.
I'm serving a possibly. Okay. So when you're in her office, okay. So this is the thing. Hanging, they give a directive that count 7 doesn't exist anymore. So that the should amend it, change it, it doesn't exist. I still play to that 714 law.
Yes, it was an error.
It's not an error, big error. So I want them to correct
that. That was one of the motions we asked. That appeal should be set aside.
That's right.
And it has not been heard.